Dear student, myself Rajendra Asiri, I am assistant professor in computer science department at Government Bangalore PG College, Didwana. In the previous lecture, we started a lecture series on indexing and hashing under the subject database and management system. In indexing and hashing, till now we covered various basic concepts like primary indexing, secondary indexing, clustering, multi-level indexing, and after that we started a new lecture series, that is file organization system. And in order to implement this concept, one new concept we introduced, that is B plus tree. B plus tree is used for we can say sequential file organization, and in this B plus tree we can have various concept on leaf node and non-leaf node that already we covered in the previous lecture. Now just previous lecture we done two operation on B plus tree, that is insertion and deletion. Means in order to insert a new node in B plus tree, how to do that, what steps involved, and deletion also we have already done. So up to this point, basics of indexing and hashing, ordered index like primary, secondary, sparse and dense index and their importance in B plus tree. Okay, after that B plus tree index file we have done. Now we are continuing the topic B plus tree with file organization. Okay, so the topic is B plus tree file organization. Now index file degradation problem is solved by using B plus tree indexes, right? So we can say as and when the file is keep on increasing in size, then there is a degradation problem occurred in file system, which is being solved by B plus tree indexes, right? Now, data file degradation problem is solved by using B plus tree file organization. Okay, data file, index file degradation problem, index file solved by B plus indexes, and data file solved by B plus tree file organization, right? Now, the leaf node in a B plus tree file organization store records instead of pointer. Very important point. Up to this point, we discussed that in B plus tree we are having a search key and pointer pairs, but the leaf node in B plus tree file organization, there are no pointer, they store record instead of the pointer. Now leaf node are still required to be half full. Why? Because since the records are larger than pointer, the maximum number of record that can be stored in a leaf node is less than the number of pointer in a non-leaf node. This is very important point. I am just again uh, giving you understanding. In leaf node are still required to be half full. What is the meaning of this? Why? Because since the records are larger than pointer. Yes, definitely all of you know this, that record are having more data than the pointer. The maximum number of record that can be stored in a leaf node is less than the number of pointer in a non-leaf node, right? Insertion and deletion are handled in the same way as insertion and deletion of entries in a B plus tree index. Very important point. Now B plus file organization, B plus tree file organization. So if you see in this example, a B plus tree is given here. Now in this B plus tree file organization, there are various pointers are pointed. So see, good space utilization is important. Why? Because records use more space than the pointer. So space utilization is a key parameter in B plus tree file organization. Now to improve the space utilization, we involve more sibling node in redistribution during splits and merges, like involving two sibling in redistribution in order to avoid split or merge wherever possible result in each node having at least entries, clear, at least some entries, right? So here if you see I is the root node, then in the left side there are C and F, two child, two entries. In the right child there is K and M, and then they are further having the values A4 B8 in the order, C1 then D9 E4, then F7 G3 H3, after that I4 J8 K1 L6 M4 and 8 and P6. So in this manner they are being, we can say, retrieved from a B plus tree file manner, right? Now next is indexing the string. It is very important. Now before indexing the string you should know what basically string. So string is nothing, it is a collection of characters. Suppose I am saying my name is Rajendra Asiri, it means R is a character, A is character, J is character, and so on. So collection of character will make a string, right? Now variable length string as keys we can use. So it will generate variable fan out, okay, and it will use the space as criteria for splitting, not the number of pointer, right? Now next, prefix compression. Key values at internal load can be prefixes of full key. How? Keep enough characters to distinguish entries in the subtrees separated by the key value. Example, Silas and Silbert can be separated by SILA. Yes, it can be SILA. With help of that LB, with help of this we can separate this, okay. Now keys in leaf node can be compressed by sharing common prefixes. Okay, so prefix compression we have to do. Prefix means, suppose I am saying R A J E N D R A, my name, and after initially we are writing I am writing Mr. MR, then MR can be prefix. Okay, so in this example also Silas and Silberts can be separated by help of SILB. Yes, it is right. Okay, so keys in leaf node can be compressed by sharing the common prefix concept, right? Next is B tree index file. Up to this point we done B plus. Now we are doing B tree index file. It is similar to B plus tree, but B tree allow search key value to appear only once. If you notice in the B plus tree, the search key values are available or appeared redundantly, right? So in order to remove this duplicacy, the B tree eliminate the redundant storage of search key. Okay, now search key in non-leaf node appear nowhere else in the B tree. An additional pointer field of each search key in a non-leaf node must be included. Very important. So generalized B tree node leaf node is, leaf node symbol will be p1 k1 p2 up to pn minus 1 kn minus 1 and pn. Okay, so p pointers, k search keys, and next is b of I is bucket. So p1 b1 k1, similarly p2 b2 k2, and so on, pm minus 1 bm minus 1 km minus 1 and pm. Where non-leaf node, where pointers b of I are the bucket or file record pointer. So first is the this is for the leaf node, and the next is for the non-leaf node. In case of non-leaf we are having a bucket pointer to bucket also, right? Because non-leaf node are further pointing to the leaf node. Okay, now B tree organization example is given. B tree above and B plus tree below. Same data is compared here. If you see downtown Redwood, then downtown is pointing to downtown bucket. So there are three entry. First is pointer, second is bucket, and third is the search key value P, B, and K. If you see the previous non-leaf node, P, B, K. P pointer to the next, B pointer to bucket, K is the search key, right? So if you see here, pointer downtown and Redwood is means every entry is having three value. First is P. So here P is pointing to next left node or left child, then bucket pointer is downtown bucket, and then downtown actual search key. Similarly for the next, if you see the pointer to the pointer, second is redwood bucket, and then redwood is pointing to the next round hill. So this is for the non-leaf node for what? Non-leaf node for the uh, it is a non-leaf node, and this is the leaf node, right? In the leaf node there are two entry P and K. So P is the pointer and K is the search key, pointer and K. And if you see in the non-leaf there are three entries, right? This is for the B tree. So above shown is the B tree. Next is B plus tree. In B plus tree what happened? In B plus tree we are having only two entry P and K. So at every node if you see Paris is repeated. Paris is repeated at root as well as at the leaf level also. Downtown is acted as the non-leaf node, intermediate node as well as the leaf node. Redwood also. So there is a redundancy of the we can say search key. So if we want to remove this redundancy, then we have to go for to the this is B plus and this is the B tree, right? So removing the redundancy from B plus tree will convert the tree into B tree. This is one concept, right? Now B plus B index tree is having some advantage over B plus. How? Advantage of B tree indexes. First, we may use less tree nodes than a corresponding B plus tree node. All of you have seen in the previous slide that in B tree there were less node than the B plus tree, corresponding B plus tree, right? Second, sometimes it is possible to find search key value before reaching the leaf node. Okay, before reaching to the leaf node, we can search a particular search key in case of B tree, right? There are some disadvantage also. Only small fraction of all the search key values are found early, right? Else we need to go up to the last level. Non-leaf node are larger, so fan out is reduced. Thus B tree typically have greater depth than corresponding B plus tree. Okay, B tree is having more depth. Why? Because fan out will be reduced. Okay, and non-leaf node are the larger. Insertion and deletion more complicated than B plus tree. B in B tree and insertion and deletion are more complicated. Implementation is harder than B plus tree. Right? These are the disadvantage over B plus tree. Now next is multiple key access. As the name implies, in multiple key access we use multiple indexes for certain type of query. Right? Example, with the help of example we will understand this concept, then we will just find out this particular lecture. So in this example, if you see select account number, we are selecting account number column from account relation where a relation or where the condition or predicate is branch name should be Paris and balance should be 1000. So it is just extracting those account number from account relation which are belonging to branch Paris and having balance equal to 1000. Okay, to implement multiple key access we can just implement some strategies. So there are various possible strategies are listed here. Possible strategies for processing query using indexes on single attribute. How? First, use index on branch name to find account with branch name Paris and then test the balance equal to 1000. Second, use index on balance to find accounts with balances of equal to $1,000. After that, test branch name is Paris. So we can just change the order. First balance, then checking on the branch name, or first branch name, then checking on the balance. Two possibility. Third, use branch name index to find pointer to all record pertaining to the Paris branch. Similarly, use index on the balance. And then what you need to do, take intersection of both the set of pointer obtained. So in this manner we can just do with the help of a single index, right? So this is all about the multiple key access. So in this example we discussed about how to index a string, then in B tree organization, how it is helpful or how it is more advantageous than B plus tree, how to implement B tree, and what is the node structure of non-leaf and leaf node in B tree. All these concepts we covered in this particular lecture, right? So thanks.